I've driven over 37,000 miles on factory default Tesla Model Y tires, and that's quite a bit higher than what most Tesla owners get. So, I thought it was high tide for me to swap them out. After setting up a service appointment, I drove just over 4 hours to a Tesla service center, and when I got there, I was a little shocked with what I found out. They measured my treads and said I should be good to go for at least 6,000 miles. That pushed me to 43,000 miles. That's rare for tires on these heavy electric vehicles. I have a long-range Model Y, so that means a bigger battery. On top of that, I've driven all across the US in both extreme cold and extreme heat. Lots of Forest Service roads that have been rough as well, having done a lot of car camping all across the US. The service guy, he was even more surprised when I said I had not rotated my tires once. Not once in the 37,000 miles. Now, I did keep a little bit of an eye on them just to make sure that the treads were wearing fairly evenly, and that was the case. The other slight reason that I put that off is that I'm in a less populated area, and the service providers that are close by are probably not as well versed on switching out Tesla tires, so ever so slightly higher risk if I did do that. I have a 3,000 mile road trip coming up. I'm headed to the Nashville area, so I just wanted to make sure that my Tesla, that it was going to be good and safe on the road. I expected to buy new tires, but after asking lots of questions, I just went with their recommended tire rotation. And of course, the back tires, they are wearing out a little bit more. That's common for even all-wheel drive vehicles. But they said the front tires, they might last even 12,000 more miles. But either way, I'm probably going to swap them all out on my next service visit. And that's only going to be my second service visit this entire life of the Tesla, all 37,000 miles. I'm lucky to have Tesla referral credits, so I probably am going to stick with the service center, especially after how good the recent service was. But either way, do you have any recommendations on the best shops to get new Tesla tires? Please let us all know in the comments. I'm sure it'll help out quite a few people. So, how have I driven this far on these Tesla tires? When I checked to get new tires, I mentioned that I'm a non-aggressive driver. The service rep, he later told me that a lot of people say that, but it usually isn't true based on the wear and tear that they can visibly see. I guess maybe I'm just a little different, maybe a little more honest. Either way, I've just kept my driving mode set to chill. On top of that, I'm rarely stomping down on the pedal, and if anything, other friends, they've floored it when they've tested it out, and they've probably done more wear and tear on it than I have. Also, I usually plan more in advance, so I'm not laying down the brakes very often, and I'm really just letting the regenerative braking do the majority of the work. At this rate, I may never have to replace the brake pads, but either way, I just wanted to give a quick update. I thought this is kind of unique from what I've heard, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I hope to see you again soon.